Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the profound wisdom of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that has guided countless individuals towards a more fulfilling and resilient life. In this video, we will explore 9 essential Stoic rules that can help you lead a better life, embracing challenges with grace and finding tranquility amidst the chaos. Rule 1. Focus on what you can control. The cornerstone of Stoic philosophy is understanding the difference between what we can control and what we cannot. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, taught that we should concentrate our efforts on our own actions and attitudes rather than worrying about external events. By focusing on what we can control, we can reduce stress and lead a more contented life. Rule 2. Embrace adversity. Stoics believe that adversity is an opportunity for growth. Instead of fearing challenges, we should welcome them as a chance to strengthen our character and resilience. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, often reflected on how obstacles can be turned into opportunities. This mindset can transform how we perceive and handle life's difficulties. Rule 3. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is a key component of Stoicism. It's about mastering your impulses and desires to maintain a balanced life. By exercising control over your actions and reactions, you can achieve a sense of inner peace and clarity. Regularly practicing self-discipline helps you stay focused on your goals and values, making it easier to navigate life's temptations and distractions. Rule 4. Live in accordance with nature. Living in harmony with nature means recognizing our place in the world and aligning our actions with the natural order. This Stoic principle encourages us to live simply, respect the environment, and accept the cycles of life. By understanding and embracing the natural world, we can find greater contentment and reduce unnecessary stress. Rule 5. Seek wisdom. Wisdom is a central virtue in Stoicism. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding helps us make better decisions and live more meaningful lives. By seeking wisdom, we can improve our judgment and approach problems with a clear and rational mind. This lifelong quest for knowledge not only enriches our lives, but also benefits those around us. Rule 6. Cultivate virtue. For the Stoics, virtue is the highest good. Cultivating virtues like courage, justice, temperance, and wisdom leads to a fulfilling and ethical life. By focusing on developing these qualities, we can navigate the complexities of life with integrity and purpose. Virtue acts as a guiding light, helping us make choices that align with our values. Rule 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful Stoic practice. By regularly reflecting on what we are thankful for, we can shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. This simple yet profound habit can significantly improve our mood and outlook on life. Gratitude helps us appreciate the present moment and find joy in the little things. Rule 8. Reflect on mortality. Memento mori, or remembering our mortality, is a vital Stoic practice. Reflecting on the impermanence of life can help us prioritize what truly matters and live more intentionally. By acknowledging that our time is limited, we can focus on making the most of each day and cultivating meaningful relationships and experiences. Rule 9. Be mindful of your judgments. Our judgments and perceptions shape our reality. The Stoics taught that by being mindful of our thoughts and interpretations, we can avoid unnecessary suffering. Practicing mindfulness helps us remain objective and grounded, enabling us to respond to situations with wisdom and composure. By questioning our judgments and challenging negative thoughts, we can cultivate a more balanced and positive mindset. Thank you for joining us in exploring these 9 Stoic rules for a better life. By integrating these timeless principles into your daily routine, you can build resilience, find inner peace, and lead a more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and philosophy. Remember, the path to a better life begins with small, mindful steps. Stay inspired and keep striving for excellence.